Hello, my peeps, and welcome to another Power Packed Phillips podcast. Just because the Chicago Blackhawks have the best record in hockey right now doesn't mean you can deal with it. Getting closer to the goal. Your MSAs. Relax. No homework over the weekend. Your EOC quiz will be Monday, so we can practice on our negative exponents for one more day. I think I have a sinister laugh somewhere. You just have to give me a minute to find it. I knew I could find it. Don't forget your EOC review packet is due Monday. End of the quarter, test retake information. We've done problems 1 through 7 from your EOC review packet that's due on Monday in Blackboard. Today's podcast is going to be lesson 8.3. Still working with negative exponents.
No! Ow!
If you would write down, please, any base to the 0 power equals 1. So anytime you see an exponent or power of 0, that's going to equal 1. 5 to the first power would be 5. 5 to the second power would be 5 times 5, which is 25. So our rule in algebra is any exponent to a 0 power gives us an answer of 1. Come on, guys, wake up. Please write the expression on your paper. Don't forget to put the parentheses and the power of -2. Here we go. We're going to simplify this expression. So I'm going to write down 4 to the -2 power. That's the first thing I'm going to do. Write down 4 to the -2 power. I'm not going to solve it yet. I'm just writing it out. I crossed out the 4 because I use it. Now I have x to the second power raised to a power. If you raise a power to a power, we multiply the exponents. So I multiply 2 times -2. That gives me -4. Now I'm going to rewrite the top of the equation with our answers. We got 4 to the -2 power, x to the -4. I'm just rewriting the top of the equation with this answer and this answer. So this is what our expression looks like now. Now let's do the bottom of the expression. I'm going to write parentheses -8 to the -2 power. I'm not going to work it out. I'm just writing it down. I use this one up here so now I'm going to do x to the -3rd raised to the -2 power. When I raise a power to a power, I multiply. So I have -3 times -2. That gives me +6. So now we have this as our problem. Where did I get these from on the bottom? I got it from right here and right there. I think it's time for a brain break. epic fail. So here's our problem. I drew a house around it. We have the grumpy old man because you keep making the 4 to the negative 2 power go up and down the stairs. He's grumpy. He doesn't want to walk up the downstairs all day long. So remember, no negative exponents. I'm going to take this 4 to the negative 2 power and I'm going to bring it down to the bottom. Remember that when I bring it down to the bottom, he becomes happy. He's happy. So here is our expression now. I'm going to take this x to the negative 4, the grumpy old man, and I'm going to put him down in the bottom. Now he becomes happy. It becomes positive. So here's my problem now. I have an unhappy person, grumpy. I'm going to take this and move it to the top. I'm going to move it to the top. When I do that, he becomes happy. Brain break. I know the Chicago Bulls could never do that. Here's our problem now. I'm going to do negative 8 to the second power. It's in parentheses. Negative 8 parentheses, negative 8 parentheses. Negative 8 times negative 8 equals 64 positive. So this is going to change to positive 64. So there's my positive 64. Notice my rule. Same floor, add the exponents. I have a base of 6. Sorry, a base of x. A base of x. Same floor, add the exponents. 6 plus 4 gives me 10. Now I have 64 over 4 squared x to the 10th. I'm going to work out 4 squared. 4 2 times. 4 times 4 is 16. This is going to become 16. That becomes 16. Now I have 64 over 16x to the 10th. I'm going to simplify 64 over 16. Lots of choices. We could divide by 2, 4, 8, and 16. The greatest common factor. Well, bam! Nice vocabulary. Da Blackhawks would be 16. Divide both by 16 and you get 4 over 1. If you simplify by 2, 4, 8, you're going to have to do that a couple times, but you should still get down to 4 over 1. Your choice, just get 4 over 1. So we simplified this, and we got 4 over 1. So we have 4, fraction bar, 1, x to the 10th. Remember, on the EOC, the 1 will be invisible. The 1 will be invisible. There is your solution. As always, TY for watching. Later, alligator. In a while, crocodile.